Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download manhwa on WEBTOON. Now let us begin. I highly recommend you guys that you create your WEBTOON account. That way you can manage all of your series. Now let's say I wish to download this manhwa right here. So I'm simply gonna click on it. You guys can select whatever you wish. Now from here what you guys need to do is simply focus on the top right. Right next to this info button, you can see these three dots. Click on it. Now it's gonna give you a few options like download and share. Right now I want to download it, so I'm simply gonna click on download. Now just select the episode that you wish to download. I'm gonna do it right now. Well, as you can see, I have selected the series. Now all I'm gonna do is click on download. Well guys, that's it. That's how we download manhwa on WEBTOON. The process is quite easy. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and definitely subscribe. Until next time, thank you.